Okay, I'm doing a video today about the temporary electrical setup for the shower shack. And I say temporary because I'm not going to hook it up to real power until I have dug the trench for the 4-wire electrical line to go into. And temporarily, I'm just putting in the box. I'm putting in some outlets and getting everything done, but I'm having it fed by an extension cord. So you can see that the blue extension cord is hooked up to a yellow extension cord that goes all the way back to the power pole, and it's been giving me some lights. And now I have fed this wire right here through my entrance right there, and that goes down and up this wall to the inside. So let's go on into the inside here and check out a Siemens style fuse box, switch box, and what is going on in there. I'm wearing my black hat today because I'm doing electric work. All right, so here we have a Siemens style box that I bought off Amazon, about 60 bucks. And the reason I chose this one is it does have two sides. So it's capable of supplying two power, a 4-wire power coming in, and that is what you need to use to have a 220 circuit for something like an electric dryer or any big appliance. But really, in a bathroom like this, or in most houses, the only thing that's on a 220 is going to be your electric dryer. I just want to go into some little detail about this because it's pretty cool. As you see, I don't have a 4-wire on my temporary cord. All I have is a 3-wire. That's going to be a black, a white, and a bare ground. So this is the extra side for 220, the second phase of power. But for single phase power for just 110, you only need this, and I added this. This is weird. When they sell you these boxes, they don't sell you a ground bus. So you have to buy the ground bus separately, and you have to attach it. Anyhow, so the black is going to go to here. The white is going to go to here. That's called the neutral or the return. And then the bare one is going to go to the ground right there. Eventually, there'll be a ground that's a separate wire that'll go into the earth for this building. But I just want to point out the one fun thing about a 220 is, okay, so a dryer switch fuse here. See, this is a double fuse. It's a 30 amp fuse. There's two of them together. And why do you need two of them together? Well, to get the 220 to recruit both phases, the 110 side, and for me, I chose this to be my 220 side. Like I said, for now, it's only going to have that, but eventually it'll have another power wire that goes all the way back to the pole. That'll be for this side. Now, if I took this off, which it's not that easy to take these on and off. Let me try to take it off. Oh, just a minute. What you can see is this side, which would get the second phase, is on a piece of metal that only goes to there and there. And this side is on a piece of metal. These two pieces of metal do not touch each other. They're separated. So anything on this side is going to be served by this piece of metal, and anything on that side is going to be served by that piece of metal. So the double slots in there, and it actually connects to this one and this one, which is both sides. And that's your little 220 lesson for today. I got to get back into this. So far, you know, I added a brace bar here, a piece of wood, so that I could attach the fuse box there and there and there. And I've gotten this far along. I hope to have one outlet installed today, and the wires ran just for my temporary 110 service. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching if you did watch this video this far, and be good.